Education. I am Bilkis of your maths teacher. Today we will solve question 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 13.3. If you support my Tube Education, then like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notification. So at first question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14-meter deep. Suppose this is a well of diameter 3 meter and that means radius 3 by 2 meter and 14-meter deep, that means height of this well is equal to 14 meter. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it, the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. That means after digging it, the soil that was extracted, it has been spread evenly around it, and which is form an embankment. And embankment means like barrage. That means after digging it, the soil was extracted, it has been spread evenly around it, like that. Soil. So this is also a cylindrical shape, and given that this width is equal to 4 meter. So radius of this inner circle is equal to 3 by 2 meter and radius of this outer circle is equal to 3 by 2 plus 4 meter, because this is 3 by 2 plus this is 4. Now you have to find the height of this embankment. This is form a cylindrical shape. So here you have to find this height. Suppose this is capital H. You have to find this height. So this embankment is made from extracted soil. That means volume of this extracted soil is equal to volume of this embankment. Only this embankment. So given that radius of well, that means radius of inner circle, that means radius of is equal to 3 by 2 meter and radius of outer circle is equal to 3 by 2 plus 4 meter, that means 2, 3 plus 4 to the 8, that means 11 upon 2 meter. And height of this well is equal to 14 meter. Now by the given condition, radius volume of this extracted soil, that means volume of soil dug from well, volume of soil dug from well is equal to volume of this embankment, only this part. This part is not included, only this part, this embankment. That means volume of embankment so now volume of soil dug from well, that means volume of this well, that means pi r square h is equal to volume of this embankment, that is pi r is equal to total length Radius of outer circle 11 by 2 meter. That means 11 by 2. Suppose this is capital R. Suppose this is capital R. So capital R square minus small r square. Small r is the radius of inner circle. 3 by 2. Suppose this is small r. So capital R square minus small r square into capital H. You have to find this height. So pi cancel out. This implies capital H is equal to small r square H by capital R square minus small r square. Small r square, that means 3 by 2. That means 9 upon 4. H is equal to 14. Capital R is 11 upon 2. That means 121 upon 4 minus small r 3 by 2. That means 9 by 4. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. That means 9 by 2 into 7. And this is 4, 121 minus 9. That means 112. That means is equal to 9 by 2 into 7 into 4 upon 112. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 7 8s are 56. That means 9 upon 8. That means 1.125. 1.125 meter. That's the required answer. That means height of the embankment. Now next question, question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. So that means they had told us a container. Suppose this is a container. It's a cylindrical shape and given that diameter is 12. This diameter 12 centimeter. That means radius 6 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. This height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter. This ice cream is filled to be cones of height 12 centimeter. This height is equal to 12 centimeter and diameter 6. That means radius 3 centimeter. Having a spherical shape on the top. That means like that. This is a hemispherical shape. And find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So you have to find the number of such cones which can be filled with this ice cream. That means how many ice cream cones can be filled with this ice cream. So here, given that radius of this is 6 centimeter because diameter 12 centimeter. So given that radius of container, that means cylinder, is equal to 6 centimeter and height of container is equal to 15 centimeter. Radius of this conical part, is equal to 3 centimeter And also radius of this spherical part is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of hemispherical part. This is a hemisphere, so radius of hemispherical part is equal to 3 centimeter, and height of this conical part, height of conical part is equal to 12 centimeter. Suppose n ice cream cones be filled with ice cream in the container. So suppose n ice cream cones be filled with ice cream in the container. So that means volume of this container is equal to n into volume of this ice cream cone. So that means suppose this is a ice cream cone where this is 3 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. So by the given condition, volume of this cylinder, volume of ice cream in this container, volume of ice cream and cylinder is equal to n into volume of one ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. That means this is equal to n into volume of one ice cream cone means volume of this conical part plus volume of this hemispherical part. That means volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part. That means pi r1 square h1 square. I am just doing the main calculation. So here this radius, suppose this is r1 and this is h1 and this is r2 and this is h2. So pi r1 square h1 square is equal to n into volume of conical part, that means 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi r2 square h2 plus volume of this hemispherical part, that means 2/3 pi r2 cube. This implies n into 1/3 into pi, taking common 1/3 into pi. That means 1/3 into pi r2 square. So this is h2 plus 2 r2. Now pi cancel out. This is equal to n into 1/3 into r2 means 3. That means 9 into h2. h2 means 12. plus 2 into R2. 2 into R2, that means 6. That means n into 3 3s are 9. 3 into 18. So this implies n is equal to R1 square H1. R1 square by R1 square H1 by 3 into 18. R1 square means R1 6, that means 36 into H1, that means 15 by 3 into 18. That means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 nines are 18, 2 six are 12. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15, that means 10. So therefore 10 ice cream cones can be filled with the ice cream in the container. That's the answer. Now next question, question number 6. How many silver coins? 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2 millimeter mm. So the given condition is they had told us a silver coin. Suppose question number 6. Suppose this is a silver coin and given that this diameter is equal to 1.75. That means radius is equal to 1.7 upon by 2 centimeter. And this thickness means this height is equal to h is equal to 2 mm. Mm means millimeter. So convert into centimeter, that means 0.2 centimeter. Must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension. So after melting this, form a cuboid. Form a cuboid. Like that. And given that length of this cuboid 5.5 centimeter. Length 5.5 centimeter. And breadth, this is length. And breadth 10 centimeter. And height 3.5 centimeter. So now you have to find the how many silver coins. How many silver coins must be melted to form a cuboid of this dimension. So here given that radius of silver coins, radius of silver coin is equal to 1.75 by 2 centimeter and height of silver coin is equal to 0.2 centimeter and dimension of this cuboid, dimension of cuboid is equal to 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. Suppose n silver coins are required. So that means volume of this n coins is equal to volume of this cuboid. Let n silver coins be melted to form the required cuboid. Let n silver coins be melted to form the required cuboid. Most of the question in this exercise are based on this concept. That means this volume is equal to this volume, this concept. So volume of n coins So by the given condition, volume of n coins is equal to volume of cuboid. This implies volume of n coins. That means n into, this is a cylindrical shape. That means pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to volume of cuboid. That means length into breadth into height. That means n into pi means 22 upon 7. R means 1.75 upon 2 into 1.75 upon 2 into h means 0.2 is equal to L means 5.5, B means 10, H means 3.5. So now N is equal to 5.5 into 10 into 3.5 into 7 into 2 into 2 upon 22 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 0.2. So after removing this 2 point, we take 100 and this 3 point, that means 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5 plus, that means 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55, 2 5s are 10, 35, 35, 35 cancel out, 35, 7 5s are 35. Now this 2 cancel out, 2 0, 2 0 cancel out, 5 2s are 10, 200. That means 200 into 2 is equal to 400. So number of coins is equal to 400. That's the answer. Thank you.